One, two, three, two, and...
Hey, Jordan.
Oh, hey, Andy.
Are you okay?
No, I'm really bloated, and I can't seem to make it go away.
What have you been eating?
I don't know, some like popcorn, pickles. I've had a lot of energy drinks in the last few days and some soda.
Oh, no wonder you've been feeling bloated. Those foods fall under the range of 3 or 4 on the pH scale, and so those foods are very acidic. If you eat too much acidic food, your stomach will feel bloated.
Well, what should I eat then?
So you should eat foods which are more alkaline, such as avocados, mangoes, cucumbers, and you should also drink water because it's more nutrient.
What are even acids and bases, and how do they affect us?
So acids and bases are 2 compounds that are very important in our daily lives and in the industry. So as far as industrial chemicals go, you can use acids and bases to create paint, petroleum products, and fertilizers. So every time you wash your hands, you use soap, which is a base. Okay, so let's do a few experiments which will teach you a lot more about acids and bases.
All right.
Alright.
So polyatomic ions, there's 2 different, hydronium and hydroxide. Hydronium is when we dissolve acid in water and we get a H3O plus ion, and then when we dissolve the base, then it forms an OH negative ion from the water.
This is the purple cabbage. And here are the 4 liquids that we'll be adding the cabbage juice to. So we have water, which is our control, vinegar, which is an acid, ammonia, which is a base, and baking soda, which is also a base. So pH is the way that we measure whether a substance is more basic or more acidic. So here on the scale we have a 7 being neutral, and then the farther you go this way, the more basic the liquid gets. And these are going to be the cooler colors as an indicator, and then the more this way you go, the more acidic it gets, and these are warmer colors. And so the pH is the measure of how many hydronium ions there are in a sample of the solution. Because water is neutral, the cabbage juice remains a light purple color when it is added, and this has about a pH of about 7, and this will be our control. So we can see how the other colors vary in comparison to this one. Vinegar has a pH of 2.4, meaning that it is very acidic. Because of this, the red cabbage indicator turns vinegar a very red color when it is mixed together. Baking soda is also basic and has a pH of 8.3, which is why the cabbage solution turns a teal blue color when it is added. When we added the purple cabbage indicator, the Sprite solution turned a light pink color, and this is because carbonated soda is slightly acidic because the carbon dioxide dissolves in the water, which produces carbonic acid. So on the left we have our baking soda solution, which is a base, and on the right we have our Sprite solution, which is an acid. After combining the Sprite solution and the baking soda solution, we get something that looks like this, and you can notice that this is very close to the original color of just the water and red cabbage solution, which is our control. And so this shows that when you mix an acid and a base together, the acid neutralizes the base and makes it closer to a neutral pH. So when we combined the soda solution with the baking soda solution, the acid neutralized the base and it became close to the color of water. And this is because when you combine the hydronium ion, which is H3O positive ion with the hydroxide, the extra hydrogen ion on this one goes over to this one, which cancels it out, and we just get 2 H2O as our final equation.
I don't wanna wait in vain.
Ellie, guess what? I took your advice and I'm not bloated anymore.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
I don't wanna wait.